Hello, we the traveler community. Today, we have brought you a video on how to apply for a Kyrgyzstan eVisa. So, let's begin. To apply for your Kyrgyzstan eVisa, go to the official website. You can find the link to the website in the description. On this official website, you can find all the information required for applying for a Kyrgyzstan eVisa. You can read through the general information or contact the Kyrgyzstan Visa Center if you have any queries. Anyhow, we will cover the important topics in this video. Scroll down and click Apply for a Visa. You can also get this option at the top of the page under Services. Select your country and passport type, and based on your selection, you will find out if you are eligible for an e-visa or any other visa. Select a tourist visa from the available options. An important tip here, if you are planning to visit Kyrgyzstan for 5 or fewer days, you can even opt for a transit visa, which will be half the price of a tourist visa, and you will not require an invitation to visit the country. For a tourist visa, you would require an invitation, which we will cover in this video. For this video, we will be selecting the tourist visa, single entry visa option, and the number of months you will be visiting. Once selected, enter the CAPTCHA, select Terms and Conditions, and click Next. Enter your details, that is, application data. Once you have filled in your details, do not just enter the CAPTCHA and click Next. You can see on top there is another option for Inviting Organization. Now, if you click Next, this will be skipped. That is the reason it easily gets skipped. But you have to enter these details for your visa. To get an invitation, you have two options. The first one is to get your visa processed by a tour operator who will get the invitation for you. You will find plenty of them online, but this will cost you a little on the higher side. Second, you can reach out to a few of the tour operators who give you an invitation, which will again cost you a little, but it will be cheaper than the first option. Enter all the invitation details, enter the CAPTCHA, and click Next. A mail will be sent to your email address with the reference number for your application and a link to redirect to the next steps. Click on the link, which will redirect you to the next steps. Fill in the additional data. Click Next. Upload your photograph and passport details. Click Next. Verify and confirm your data. Complete your payment. It takes around 5 working days to get your visa. The Visa Center will reach out to you if they need any more information. You can also track your application. On the homepage of the website, go to Services and click Check Status. Enter your reference number to get the status of your application. I hope I was able to give you good insights about how to apply for a Kyrgyzstan eVisa. For any more information, you can reach out or comment on the video. Happy traveling, and please subscribe to We the Travelers and help us create more content for travelers like you around the world.